Darcey's biggest problem is her reaction when she sees other dogs, whether that's on or off lead. Obviously off lead, we have a, well, we don't let that happen. She's only been off lead with my dogs because I've walked them together, I've got the pack mentality in place, and my dogs are unreactive. That's the only thing she's done. So there's a dog up ahead. So she's listening to me, that's good. So I'm just going to keep filming because I think they've got 4 more dogs up ahead. So it's going to be really, really good for her. Okay, so I'll just keep filming it so you can see what she does. So give and take with that lead, never solid. Okay, oh lovely, we've got lots of dogs here. Really good, okay, and most of them are off. A couple of them they've just put on the lead, but most of them are off, so. Good. Hi. Hi, okay. Good. Okay, there they all are. So all that was give and take with the lead and the sound. Calm down. Now they've gone, I'm going to stand still. Okay, and we're just going to calm it down. There we go. So they're still only just up there. Look, they're not far away. Excuse me, sniffing. Good. Lovely. Really good. And a couple of those, they were off lead and they came around her. Obviously they picked up she didn't want them near her, so they didn't come too close. Yeah, no lunging, no barking, and she was still paying attention to me when I gave her the commands and the checks. Just use that sound and the give and take on the lead. Never a solid hold on that lead, always give and take, look. Always give and take. And now she's walking loose. Oh, Darcey, you're a star. Well done, girl. Well done. Huge progress. With that amount of dogs, huge progress. That's really good. We just need to meet more and more. We have met quite a few already. Not as many as that, and most of them have been on the lead as well. The ones that have been off lead haven't come anywhere near her. And yeah, she's looked and she's leaned a little bit, and I've given her lots of this checks on the lead, the give and take, but no barking, no lunging. Really good. But that was a really good test, so I'm glad I got that one on video for you. Well done. Just throw in another stand still. Randomly stand still. Oh, she's beautiful, look. Lovely relaxed lead. Yeah, she's really starting to tune in now. We're losing that reactive bit. We're starting to get some communication from her now. Excellent. Happy days.